Hey, we're about to do a sound check, so I want to let you guys in on a little bit of what that looks like. There's the band. I'm not sure if you'll be able to hear anyone, but there's Cindy. Cindy? Cindy thinks I'm a nerd. Steven, Darren, drummer, Hannah, over there. So, hopefully you'll be able to hear it.
This is redemption's hour. In the midst of a world lost for love, you are all we have now. The lost return, salvation is all around. In the midst of a world broken down, you are all we have now. For you are God, and this hope is ours. So Father, open the skies, flood the earth with your light. This is time to bring the world different.
It's recorded right now. It's recorded on my computer.
Right, but what about the music? Because it looks black. I just wonder.
Well, it was a little dark during practice, so I was going to show some video clips, but maybe all you hear is sound. You can see a silhouette of Hannah whenever you're doing Heroes from Heaven. I'm so good at it.
Darren's like, you better not.
Darren's angry. His amp, something's going on with his amp today. But he's not going to let it ruin the service tonight, although he just put a gun to his head. Hannah is back for the second week. It's the first night of the second week. You were just saying that there's a bunch of testimonies from the first week.
Oh yeah, God did so much.
Which is kind of weird because sometimes you look and you don't think that God's really doing anything.
It really is.
This generation, you guys are different. Little weird, but I kind of like it. Steven, what you got? Come on, Steven. Steven. People tell them Jesus loves them. Tell them Jesus loves them.
Have Jesus.
Oh, tell the truth. Shame the devil. Cindy Lou.
Hey guys.
What you got? Quincy. You guys are the most boring people in the world. Cindy's hair, like Quincy's hair.
That would be cool, wouldn't it?
I could see it.
Right there. Stay right there.
Hold on.
Now pull it out a little bit.
No, that's close.
It's not bad. It'd work.
Yeah. Darren, what was your highlight from last week?
It's just high melody. I'm not sure.
Well, the highlight that I was gonna say was it was kind of like my little anthem for the whole week last week is not to anticipate what God's gonna do in your life. You know,
That's good.
All these ways I think God's gonna do this and blah 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 blah, but you just have to be a servant. You know where you're at, and you just have to be faithful. And just keep going, which is an exercise right now.
Yes.
I'm trying very hard
See,
to not get angry.
yeah, here's what happened. What happened was Darren. What happened was Darren. His amp from last week. There was like this crazy noise. We were sitting there. It was before. Here, let's talk about it. Tell me how it makes you feel that your amp doesn't work.
Where's some water?
Cindy just asked where there was some water. Where? I don't know. Where's there some water? Can anybody tell Cindy where some water is? Sorry. Back to you and your feelings. Tell me.
I'm just kind of bummed out right now. I'm just kind of trying to shake it off. You know what I mean? And whatever. Because the one I'm using doesn't sound the same. And nothing I play sounds the same. So,
That sounds really good, Darren. Just
right, whatever.
remind nobody. What did you?
Yeah, right, whatever. It does sound good, just different.
It does.
Even Hannah says so.
Yep.
She's going to school for music.
Doing what?
Hannah makes me nervous because she's professional.
I'm not a professional.
PJ, what you got to say?
Oh, snap. Hey, what's up?
Huh.
What?
Hey, look, there's PJ. What do you got to
Hey,
say?
what's up? Hey, what's up? Can't wait for week 3 and 4. Right? That's week 2, right?
Dear God, there's 2 more weeks.
I'm
just kidding. Chew. You always got some inspiring words.
Woo!
Someone's gonna do something. This video. This is the
This
lamest
video
ever.
Yeah, it's pretty lame.
Everybody's bleak, man.
Inspired out.
Come back tomorrow night.
Yeah.
They're inspired out, and it's the first night of week 2.
Inspired out.
We'll check back in tomorrow. Maybe I won't post this one.
All inspired out.
I'll kill you.